Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Thanks for joining me. Kindly remember to subscribe if you've not, and like, share my video. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, get ready with me. I have some new Givenchy. New to me, not really new in the market. I've never tried Givenchy foundation. So I have Skin Caring Glow and then the Skin Caring Concealer. And then I have some couple of new blushes, Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel, Westman, Atelier. We will see what we use. And then I picked up also Max Strobe bronzer. I picked it up in, no, this is a blush. And then I have Dior bronzer stick. Oh, there it is. So I have it in Sunbeam. So without further ado, let's just get started. I'll take hair out of the way there. And I have a primer. This is from Iconic London, Underglow Blurring Primer. Yeah, this is what I want to use. I've not used it. I've had it in the drawer for some time. This is Givenchy foundation, Prisma Libre Skin Caring Glow, and I picked it up in shade 6N 490. I've not even broke the seal from the shop. Oi, that looked dark, so let's see how it works. So I'm just putting it. Oh my god. You know, like shade 5.8 was light, and now I'm questioning my life decisions here. Actually, that's not, it's a little bit deep, but not really bad. Oh, I have to mix it, sorry. So you see, I feel like it works, but no, I feel like I need to mix it. I'll just mix it in with Guerlain. This is Glow in 6.5. It's a bit yellow. So I'm just mixing them and see if that works, because this Guerlain is very, it's neutral, but it is yellow on me. So when it comes to Guerlain and YSL, I need to be using C. Cool. It might come off in the camera like I made it super light, but that's here in the mirror it matches me. And this is dark, so yeah. I feel like I'm too far. That's much better. So that's how the base looks like. I have a lot of foundation left here, but that's okay, because I pumped a little bit too much from Givenchy and mixing it, just too much. I like that. And I'm trying not to go here because I'm wearing a shirt. Now this is the concealer. I've not tried it either, so I just have to break the seal. Now this looks like it will work. So that's how the concealer looks like. Yeah, the concealer is good, so the shade works. And if you wonder why I'm looking down here, I have my mirror. So yeah, maybe I should get a hand mirror. Wow, I like that concealer. Under eye powder, I'm using Givenchy. This is in shade 5. So this is a Max Strobe in Sunbeam. So that's how MAC looks like. And I will swatch it. This is more of a contour on me. See? That's how it looks like. And then I have Dior Skin Bronzer. This one I even have shot up with. So I'm used to shaking. Sorry. That's how Dior looks like. So this is very light. If you're deeper than me, don't even bother. It's quite disappointing actually, because Dior can do better. They have in their contour they have quite a deep one that I can't use. So I don't understand. But okay, let's contour the face. I should have done this before concealer, but I didn't really think. You see? This is so easy to use, it just melts into the skin. And I have tried the blush as well. If you check my shorts, what I would say, don't use it on top of the powder. That's why I didn't powder my entire face. I assumed it's the same formula, and it is. The blush and the bronzer. It's supposed to be bronzer, but on me it's contour. It's quite beautiful. That's the contour. I just want to clean off this brush and use it for bronzer, because I know that bronzer is it's a light bronzer, so it doesn't really hurt. Now I'm just picking it up and let's bronze the face. Doesn't do much. So if you're my skin tone, skip this one. See? Let's talk about blush. I have Dolce & Gabbana blush. I can swatch it for you. This is in Whimsical Berry. This is Dolce & Gabbana Cherry Glaze Bar 24-hour glow blush stick. Made in Italy, as all Dolce & Gabbana products are. And I've fallen in love with the Dolce & Gabbana makeup. It's so good. Like, I've not been disappointed so far. How Dolce & Gabbana looks like. It's just like, did I even show you the package? That's the package. And first when it came out, I didn't pick it up because I hated the package. And then I went to the store and it's okay, little luxury. It's not so bad as I thought. That's why I picked it up. So there we go. And this blends like a dream. You should watch the shot. Really good. So I'm thinking, since I've tried this one and I know how it works, I have also Chanel Healthy Glow Blush Sobe in shade Sobe. And this one also I love. And most of these products I have shots with, so I stop repeating myself. If you just check down, you'll see it. So that's how it looks like. It has like really healthy glow, just as it says. Very, very, very nice. So if you ask me, I will say this is okay. Both of these blushes actually. And I have another blush. This one I've not tried, so I think I feel like I have to try this one. This is Westman Atelier, what is it called? Baby Chicks Blush Stick. I've never tried these blushes. I have the contour and the duo bronzer, the new one. Now I want to try this one. And this is in Bichette. So that's how it looks like. Very Westman Atelier packaging. Super nice. I've not even touched it. And I know this is not a new product, but I'm just like on a blush journey right now. I'm picking up another shade of Dolce & Gabbana. That's how much I'm impressed. I'll just pick it up with the brush, and this is Rafa LC03. Then let's see. Oh, okay. That's good. Oh my God. Oh yeah. See that side where I went in heavy-handed? Now if you go in not heavy-handed, it's just like a lovely brush. But I love my blush to show, not like crazy showing, but you know. My point is like, what's the point of wearing makeup if makeup doesn't... If I look at myself in the mirror and I don't see it? I love that. This is so good. Maybe I should think about more shades that I don't really need. I'm even embarrassed saying that. That I need more shades. Oh my God. Now with Hourglass, this is Hourglass Volume 3. This one. I'm just taking the finishing powder here. Now, buffing powder on top of my blush. I feel like my blush disappeared. I will just take some blush, and because I feel like, oh, that goes well on top of the powder, so that's a good thing. So that's how my face looks like. I think I will use some highlighter. I just want to use this Chanel glaze thing. I'm using the same brush that I use with the blush. This is Moonlight. It was limited edition, but they have a lot and they're just the same. They don't have any base. So for eyeshadow, I'm using this Lancome single shadow, and this is in 05. And now I'm taking Victoria Beckham. This is T-Rose. And I just want to put it my entire lid. This is a Guerlain black liner. And I'm using, just happens to, I'm using Guerlain liner in shade Plum. Yeah, 04 Plum Peony. And I just want to put that in my lower waterline. Mascara, I'm using YSL. This is brown. If you're looking for mascara that you can't go wrong with, this is the one. Oh, this formula, they have it also in black. I used up the black one. I have 3 new products. This is a new Chanel Rouge Coco Flash shade 203 Fruity. One of the new that they came with. These ones with a different cap. And I love this formula, so that's how Fruity looks like. And I picked up also Dior Addict, the glass lipstick. And then I have Dolce & Gabbana, and this is in 02 Mauve. This is Rose du Lip Bite, and these ones are like a stain, but it looks like this. Whenever I apply it, it just turns berry on me. Even though I love Dolce & Gabbana makeup, I think this is my least favorite. That being said, I've not used Chanel, so I will go with the Chanel. I'm using a MAC liner. This is in half red. And now Coco Rouge. If you're thinking of spoiling yourself with a lipstick, go for these ones. They're so smooth and very hydrating and long-lasting on the lips. And they don't even clog or set into the lip line. You saw how much I just piled it up to show you. So, there. So I'm happy with how this look turned out. I'm happy with everything apart from the from this soldier here. Dior need to expand shades because... Okay, friends, so this is our final look. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you. Subscribe, like, share with friends. I'm really thankful and grateful for you. Have a fabulous day and see you on the next one. Bye.